Now we're going to be dealing with parallelograms. Now, parallelograms, when I see question 7 and 8, they kind of look like slanted rectangles. Right? It looks like a rectangle that is, oops, a little bit to the side. Now, interesting on the parallelogram. This is what we have a parallelogram here. Interesting is that here on the left, on question number 7, let's say I had some scissors here and I cut this triangle out. Boom, I cut it out because I have scissors. But then, interesting, that triangle fits right here. So if I was to cut the one side and move it to the other side, so in this case, I cut the left side and move it to the right side, that will give me a rectangle. See what I did? I cut one side to put it on the other side, and I came out with a rectangle. So parallelograms, I'm gonna treat them like a rectangle. Pretty much, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna treat them like a rectangle. Now, what did we do to get the area of a rectangle? Didn't I just say multiply the two numbers that meet at a corner? Now your parallelograms, let me erase this. Your parallelograms are going to have a 90-degree angle. That's your corner. Sometimes your 90-degree angle, so that's the little red box that you guys see in question number 7 on the bottom right. Sometimes that corner is going to be outside of the parallelogram. But sometimes it will be inside, like you guys see in number 8. Not a big deal. What I'm going to do, I'm going to treat this like a rectangle. I'm going to multiply the two numbers that were to meet at that corner. So I see my 90-degree angle here. And I'm going to say one side of my rectangle will be 1, right? You guys see 1 centimeter. The other side will be about this long, which is 3. You guys see the number. Notice I didn't go all the way because remembered I cut these piece and I put it there. Okay, so I'm just looking at a rectangle that is 1 by 3. Remember what I said for a rectangle? Just multiply those two numbers. 1 times 3 is 3. Nice. Let's take a look at question number 8. I'm going to find my 90-degree corner, that corner. So the two numbers I'm going to multiply, this number is 4.5. You guys see it's 4.5. This other number right here, it is 8.5. So I'm going to go 4.5 times 8.5. Big deal if they're decimals. I'm going to use a calculator anyways. So 4.5 times 8.5. My answer in this case will be 38.25. Nice. Now, one thing I want to emphasize. Question number 8. Let me circle a few numbers on question 7 and number 8. Those numbers that I just circled, I did not use, okay? So don't think you have to use every number given. All you're looking for in a parallelogram are the two numbers that make the 90-degree corner, and you're just going to multiply those two. You don't have to use all the numbers. I'm going to throw in some extra numbers just to see if you're paying attention.